Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting ready. Back up your data and sign out of iCloud so accounts don't leave synced artifacts behind. Once done, make sure you're logged into an administrator account. This is required to remove other users. Now, open System Settings and go straight to Users and Groups. If you see a padlock at the bottom left, click it and authenticate with your admin password or Touch ID. This first step both grants permission and surfaces the account list you'll act on next. You'll now select the specific user account you want to remove, and then press the minus button to begin deletion. Pause to choose how to handle the home folder. Save as a disk image if you might restore files later, or delete the home folder to free space immediately. The why is simple: preserve data versus reclaim storage. After picking an option, confirm the deletion when prompted and re-enter your admin credentials. The system will process the removal, which may take a few minutes depending on folder size. Once the account is gone, tidy up residual traces. Delete that user's login items, remove any leftover keychain entries in Keychain Access, and clean shared folders or permissions. Then restart the Mac and verify the user no longer appears in Users and Groups, and that disk space reflects the change. If you hit a problem, like the Delete button is grayed out, make sure File Vault is off or boot to recovery to enable the root user temporarily. This troubleshooting step usually resolves permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.